Hey all! So you're probably wondering what this is. Just completely plain white box, and it came in packaging that was just as plain. So I've had a sneak peek inside and I know what this is. And this is something else I've got from the YouTube High Five program, and this is a Lego play button that I get to build. So I'm really looking forward to this. So I thought I'd share it with you all. So pull this out. So it's here. So the High Five. Enjoy building your YouTube brick kit. Let us know how it takes. YouTube High Five. So this is the last thing I'll be receiving from them, I believe. It's the end of the program now. But I've got the instructions to build myself a Lego brick. A YouTube Lego brick. So let's open this up. Oh hell, let me get some scissors. That's better. I'll keep it in camera for you guys. So this has been part of a program where YouTubers, a select few YouTubers, get little treats and perks. Say select few. It's few compared to how many YouTube people there are, but it's still several thousand of us. So it's been quite fun getting all these, and I'm going to miss getting these little perks. We've had sausage rolls from Greg's and discount from Wagmama's and YouTube Premium, M&M's. You could choose either this or M&M's, and I chose this. And a various other bunch of little perks. You know, I'm not going to sort it all because we'll be here forever. So we need one of these. So we push them to the top, and then you can see what I'm doing here. So one of them, and then we want one of these ones, one of in here somewhere. Nope. There we go. One of those ones. So it's those three, and then we're going to put them on. So this one on first. Going to in. So there. 3 on there. And we needed a full one. There you go. Full one going on. There. I do love building Lego. I have a large amount of Lego in my house. Some point I might build some of them on camera or show you them all. But Duncan on his YouTube channel has some of his Lego builds, but he's not very active on there. But hopefully he will get more active as we go. Not of that type, I want just plain, none of those bits on it. Oops, still got no on it. Find all these ones. Where's the plain one without them on it? Another one of those type. Ah, there we go. So one of those, one single one. Ah, there we go. One single one. Another one of these type. Not that type. we go, another one there, and one of these white ones, which is a 1x4. So looks like we're putting this one there, and this one here, this one on here, and then this one is going on there. Okay, 4, so we want 2 of this type, and one more white one. White one's going on there. This looks to be going this way, and that one that way around. So this is what we've got so far. You can't actually see I'm working on this page here. And now we're over to this page. So you want one of the 1x4s, which we have there. 2 of those, sorry. So 1x4. Nope, they're sitting underneath on those bits, like that. And then we want 4 of these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like we are putting and repeat on the other side. I hate it when they do the instructions in such a way that it actually, because these ones aren't touching the ground because of that one, if you press down to put an ink on it, it breaks, which is not the best move. But I'll get there. Okay, so we've just done that one. So we are now on to here. So we want that one and one of the longer ones like that. Looks to be the right size. Nope, not the right size, more longer one. There we go, that size. That's what you get for not counting the pips. And this is going on the underside, I'm going to assume the middle. Now that's the same height. Okay, 8, we want another one of the plain ones. There we go, one there. Oh, 1x3. And then one of this type here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we want that size. So that one's going on top there. That one's going next to it. That one's going on the top there. And this is going in the middle here. So this is what we've got so far. You can see how the play part is being formed. That's quite cool, isn't it? Okay, one more white and 2 of the, which one was that there? One across there. 1x3, that's a 1x4, which we also need. That's another 1x4. 1x3. And then another one of those upside down ones. 1x4 that side. 1x3 that side, and that one in there. Then we want that one and 2 of the 1x4s. There's 1, 2, and then we're going there. Yeah, look at that, it's coming together quite nicely. I'll keep it facing away from me because that's what the instructions have, so it makes it easier to follow them. The long one across there, leave it, follow that up. Okay, so now we are building top, so that one there. 1 and 2 of the 1x3s. Ones across here, the front. Six of these, so there's 2, 4, 6 of them, and it looks like we're putting them along the outside edge here. Make sure the pointy, the extra bits are on the outside. Probably proper terms for these, but I never worry about proper names, I just enjoy building them. Just trying to make sure they're all together properly. Okay, now we want 2 of that type, so 2 1x2s and 1 that 1x4. Trying to understand. Oh, so we're building that. Okay, so that way. Those there like that. You'll see that on camera would be useful, wouldn't it? So we're putting them there like that. Move that to the side a minute. You can see it's being built there. Then we want 3 of these. 1, 2, and 3. 2 of these. Okay, so that's going to join those 2 together. If they stay put long enough to join. And that one's going to join those 2 together. Goes in the middle, and these pop on the ends. Okay, 2 of the flatter 2x1s. There's one of them. Yeah, there's the other. Turn that upside down and put them on the base there. And then 2 of these going that way round. We want them that way round. Then 1 of them and 1 of the, there we go. And there, joining them together. And that goes in there, joining that together. And then that goes, that's that way. And that joins on there. I guess it just kind of sits on there, it doesn't actually connect. Just kind of sits in place. Okay. Okay, so 2 of these. Building another thing now, so they got to go side by side. Another one goes down the middle of them. And that's on with these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's a longer one. You want the longer or the shorter ones? 2, 3, 4, 5. They're long ones. And the short ones. I'm going to assume it's the shorter ones. That looks about right. I'm going to pop them. Okay. And 2 of these flat ones to go in here. Right. And I want to do that twice. So build another one here. They're the longer ones. There we go, one shorter one. Okay, so these are what holds that one we just put in place on. Because that slides off, but these are going to go on the sides. That back on. Try to keep on camera for you. There we go. So that's what we've got so far. Okay. Now we're building the longer ones. So 1, 2, 3, and 2 of them to go on top. There we go, these ones on here. Let's see. That way around. And now we do second one of them. If you can hear the noise in the background, I've just had guests arrive, but I'll quickly try to do this a bit. Hold on, I'm filming. Hopefully I'll remember to cut that out. Right. Got them, so now we get all these on. Oh, almost done. Even here. I just noticed I've missed that one go on there. And then this is going to go on the top. And this one on the bottom. And there we go. That's our YouTube Lego brick play button. How cool's that? So thanks YouTube, high five. I've enjoyed having all the stuff. See you later.